Purpose of my program is to list out all the countries that start with a letter. When a user gives a letter, then I'll quickly demonstrate the program. So when the green flag is clicked, it's going to reset our database. Then it's going to ask what country, or it's going to ask to pick a letter. And then I'll go ahead and pick a letter. Then I'll search for countries. As you see, we have two countries that start with Z, so that adds to my list and then lists out the name. My code works by using a list. I created it in this part here, where I set my list to list, and then we go through our database and we pick each item from the database, and then we compare the first letter of the item to the letter the user has picked, and when it is equal to each other, we add that exact item to my list. And at the end of the code, if my list, the length of my list is not zero, then I'm going to start listing out the countries in my list here. And as you saw, if I were to not use this my list, I would have to print out every time this condition is met in the database and print out the actual country name instead of moving it to my list and printing out one go. So with Snap, we'll definitely see some delay.